Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 8, that is verbs. So, let's begin with verbs. You know what are verbs? The doing word and action words are known as verb. Is, am, are also the verb. So, let's begin here. The verb in a sentence is the word which expresses the action. जो verb होती है एक sentence में क्या होती है वो word होता है जो क्या express करता है एक action को express करता है taken by the subject of the sentence. Here are some examples like I live in New Delhi. Sam opened the door for me. The car collided with a tractor. My father is a doctor. Priya felt very sick. By observing the above sentences, we can say that every sentence needs a verb. Observe करिए उन sentences को हम ये कह सकते हैं कि हर sentence को क्या चाहिए होता है एक verb चाहिए होता है. The verb makes a group of words into a sentence. Verb क्या करता है group of words बनाता है एक sentence में. A verb that takes an object after it. एक verb जो object रहता है उसके बाद उसको क्या कहते हैं हम transitive verb कहते हैं. Examples का like she wrote a letter. Letter क्या है object है. The action denoted by the verb moves to the object. जो action denote हो रहा है verb से वो किस पे move करता है object पे move करता है. A verb that does not take an object after it. जो एक verb अपने बाद कोई object नहीं लेके उसको intransitive verb कहते हैं. The bell rings. So इसमें कोई object नहीं है. This sentence makes sense without an object. इस sentence में किसी object के बिना कोई sense बन रहा है तो ये क्या आपका intransitive verb है. Now the verb which requires the help of other words. जिस verb को क्या चाहिए होते help चाहिए होते दूसरे words की words की to complete its meaning. It's known as the verb of incomplete predication. उसे क्या कहते हैं हम verb कहते हैं incomplete predication की. उसको क्या चाहिए होता है it requires a complement. The complement usually consists of predicative nouns. में क्या होता है complement में predicative nouns होता है predicative adjectives होते हैं. Examples क्या है इसके she is a scientist. He appears handsome. My brother looks tired. So in the above sentence, the word or words used after the verb are complements of the verb. वो क्या है? Complements है verb के. The complement refers to the subject. अगर complement refer कर रहा है subject को, it is subject complement. And if the complement refers to the object और complement refer कर रहा है object को, वो क्या है? Object complement है. The complement or the verb can be noun, pronoun, adjective. जो complement होता है verb को noun होता है, pronoun होता है, adjective होता है, infinitive और present participle. He is an engineer noun है. It is me pronoun है. She looks beautiful. Looks क्या adjective हो गया. The child began to cry infinitive है. Her voice appears enchanting ये क्या present participle है. The principal part of a verb. When we see a table of verbs जब हमें दिखती है table दिखती है verbs की हमें क्या दिखता है कि each verb has 4 parts. हर verb के 4 parts होता है. Walk का होगा walking, walked or walked. Pull, pulling, pulled and pulled. Come, coming, came and come. Run, running, ran and run. Now the principal parts are the form of from the tenses and other verbs construction. Strong and weak verbs क्या होती है? Strong verb is a verb. एक strong verb एक verb होती है which forms its past tense by changing only the vowel. जो अपने form करते हैं past tense को क्या change करके खाली vowel change करके base form की. In such verbs no other addition or changes take place. इन verbs में क्या होता है कोई और addition या changes नहीं होते. Strong verbs are called irregular verbs. Strong verbs को क्या कहते हैं? Irregular verbs कहते हैं. Examples क्या है इसके? Base form dig, digging, dug, dug. Feed का feeding, fed and fed. Find, finding, found, found. Get, getting, got, got. Teach, teaching, teach, taught and taught. Now the past tense and the past participle of many strong verbs are different from each other. जो past tense और past participle होते हैं बहुत सारे strong verbs क्यों different होते हैं एक दूसरे से. Like begin का क्या होगा? Beginning, begin and begun. Come, coming, came and come. Go, going, went and gone. Run, running, ran and run. Now weak verbs क्या होती हैं? A weak verb is a verb to which d or edt is added to change its from the base form. जो जिस weak verb वो verb होती है जिसमें d edt add होता है change करने के लिए उसकी form base form से. Weak verbs are called regular verbs. इन्हें हम regular verbs कहते हैं. तो इनके examples क्या है? Some verbs are partly strong and some verbs are partly weak. Basic form है play, playing, played and played. Laugh, laughing, laugh and loved. spend, spending, spent and spent, learn, learnings, learned and learned, curse, cursing, cursed and cursed. So you have to know some points. Some verbs are partly strong and partly weak. कुछ verbs आपके partly strong होते हैं, partly weak होते हैं, like saw, sewed and so on, sew, sewed and sewed, show, showed and shown. So these verbs are partly strong and partly weak. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. See you in the next class.